Good evening, everyone. Welcome to my class. Ambika, Meghana, Ishu, Pavitra, Adiba, Pratima, everyone. Good evening. Okay. Today I will start the new topic in mathematics, that is variation. Very interesting and also easy topic. Within 1 hour I can clear this one. Okay. It is variation is same as proportion. Already we know what is meant by proportion. It will be easy topic. Within an hour I can complete this small topic. Okay. After this one I will give at least half an hour break. Then after optics I will solve few important MCQ problems. Okay. Hi Rakesh. Okay. Shall I start? Today topic in mathematics is variation. Then let us discuss what is meant by variation. Variation is nothing but proportion. Both are same. Don't get confused between the variation and proportions. Okay. Then here in the type of proportion we are having two types. Kumara Swami, good evening. We are having two types. One is direct and indirect proportion. After listening my class this one proportion, then you will come to know even easy, even difficult word problems we can solve easily based on this concept, direct and indirect proportions. What is mean by direct proportions? I will explain in detail. I will consider one example. With example I will explain what is mean by direct proportion. Consider one example here. Number of pens, then cost of pen in terms of rupees. Then one pen cost is 10 rupees. For two pen cost is 20 rupees. For three pen cost is 30 rupees. Then my next question, for 10 pen what is the cost? That one we don't know. Consider P, or what is the cost of the 10 pen. One thing you can observe in the direct proportion, here I am explaining only the direct proportions. Radha, everyone good evening. Then here direct proportion, what is mean by that? When you observe this one, the ratio it will be constant. 1 by 10, 2 by 20 cancel, 2 ones are 2 tens are, again you will get 1 by 10. 3 ones are 3 tens are, again you will get 1 by 10. In the case of a direct proportion, ratio it will be constant. Yes, Pratima, here the answer Pratima is telling 100. This is the simple one. Seeing directly you can tell what is the cost of on 10 pence, the cost is 100 rupees. Then this one we will represent in terms of a direct proportion, x by y, this it will be constant because the ratio it will be constant in the case of a direct proportion. But better I will rub this one, otherwise both also you will get confused. What I am explaining here, this one is only the direct proportion. I will explain indirect proportion also. Let us study in detail first direct proportion. In the direct proportion, x by y it will be constant. Then here already you know x is directly proportional to y. What is the meaning of this one? As the value of x increases, the value of y increases. As the value of x decreases, the value of y decreases. Both they are directly proportional to each other. Then to remove the proportionality constant, normally we will use one constant. Okay, k. Consider k is the proportionality constant. To remove this proportionality sign, we will use the proportionality constant. Then divide x by y, you will get k. K is nothing but here the constant term. Always remember in the type of a direct proportion, the ratio it will be constant. Why the ratio it will be constant? Because both they are directly proportional to each other, means when one quantity is increases, another quantity also it will be increases. When one decreases, another one it will be decreases. This one everyone you know. Then here, using the formula, how you can find? Here this is the smallest number, that's why easily you can find out. But when you are having the bigger number, otherwise when you are comparing two quantities, then how we will use this one? Let us study. Then here I will write x1 by y1. I will consider the first case. This is the value of x1 y1 first case. Then this one I will consider as it is, because ratio it will be same, no? Then last ratio it will be 10 by p. The value of p I have to calculate. How we will calculate? With the help of the proportion, otherwise direct proportion I am explaining. Then here, what is the value of x1 y1? 1 by 10. Substitute here 1 by 10, it will be equal to 10 by p. Cross multiply p, it will be 100. Here what I am trying to explain here, in the case of a direct proportion, you can equate the ratio. Ratio it will be same. Maybe here in the missed ratio they will give, then they will tell to identify the. Even I will solve MCQ problems after explaining this one. Then you will come to know in the case of a variation how they will ask the question. Okay. Then this is all about direct proportion. Let us study what is mean by next one, indirect proportion. Understood everyone? Direct proportion, you have to remember the ratio it will be constant. Yes, good evening Nivedita, Suma. Yes Suma, this is the first class, because normally my regular classes I will take after 5 o'clock only, because exponents, yes Suma, exponents is over already. Exponents yesterday's is my, before also I did 2 classes based on the exponent. Yesterday's I got a few questions, that's why. Okay, next one is indirect proportions. What is mean by that? Let us study. Here also I will consider one example, because you have to know the concept in detail, then you can answer if they ask any type of questions. Number of toffees, number of kids, and also number of toffees. Here for when 12 toffees, consider a chocolate, then I will distribute for one kid. Then next one 20, then I can distribute for one. 10 means I can distribute for 2 kids. If it is 5 means I can distribute for 4. Like that only. If I am having T, I don't know the unknown alphabets, then what is the number of kids? How many kids you can distribute the toffees or chocolate, anything you consider. Then this one it is the value of x, this one it will be the value of y. Then here what is mean by indirect proportion? I have to write small, I don't have space only. Okay, leave. I will write small here. Indirect proportion means x is inversely proportional to 1 by y. Then remove the proportionality constant, x it will be k divided by y. Then what is this? What is the meaning of this one? xy it will be the constant. K means constant. What is mean by indirect proportion? Means if one quantity increases, another one it will be decreases. If this one decreases, then another quantity it will be increases, vice versa. This is the sign of indirect proportion or inverse proportion. Both also same. Don't get confused between indirect and also inverse. Both are same. This one we can consider even inverse proportion also, or indirect proportion. Okay, when they will give different words, don't get confused. Then here what is the formula we will use? Otherwise what is the relation in the case of a inverse proportion or indirect proportion? xy it will be constant. Then using this one, I can able to find the value of t. Here sorry, here number of kids is 10, then number of toffees we have to calculate. Consider any one relation out of 3. You can consider any one. I will consider first one only. Then this is the value of x, this is the value of y. Then xy, it will be equal to t into this 10, because these two quantities we have to multiply. Then xy means 1 into 20, it will be equal to t into 10. 10 ones are 10 twos are, then what is the value of t? T, it will be 2. Okay, the value of to the value of toffees, okay, it will be t, sorry, 2. If you are considering, if you are given 2 toffees, for you can give for 10 kids, like that. Okay, understood everyone? Here what you have to remember, no need to remember all the stories. You have to remember, in the case of a direct proportion, x by y, it will be constant. Means x1 by y1, it will be equal to x2 by y2, or any constant. Okay, this is the expression for the direct proportion. For indirect proportion, what is the expression? Xy, it will be constant. When you want to find out the unknown one, then x1 y1, it will be equal to x2 y2. And also here one important thing is here, once you read the question, you have to decide whether it is in direct proportion, whether it is in indirect proportion. Identification is very, very important. If you know to choose which one is direct, indirect, then easily using this expressions, easily you can find the value. This one, it will help when you are solving the word problems. Understood? This what I explained only, I given in terms of the notes. Okay, PDF format. What I am explained, everything is here only. You can refer later. Otherwise, in maths, when we will write only, we can explain easily. We can't read, we can't explain. That it will be difficult. Okay. Okay. Then one important thing, another important thing is here. I told no, given direct and also inverse proportion, indirect proportion, both also same. Then here, in the case of a direct proportion, you know y or x. Here, the constant you can use any constant. No, x, it will be proportional to y, or y, it will be proportional to x. Any constant you can take. But here, what you have to remember here, this one you can write even y by x, it will be k. Always in the case of a direct proportion, which type of curve, which type of graph we will get? We will get the straight line. That straight line, it will pass through the origin. Maybe this one they may ask in MCQ. Okay, they will give different types of graph, then they will ask which graph is suitable for direct proportion. The straight line, it has to pass through the origin. That one is very, very important. If they write any straight line here, that is wrong. Otherwise here, that is also wrong. Then in the case of a inverse proportion, even here yx, it will be constant. You can remember this also, this also. Which one is easy for you? Remember that one. Then here we will get, in the case of a inverse proportion, we will get a parabolic curve. This one we can even consider as parabolic curve also, even exponential curve also. Both name is same only. Parabolic or exponential. Okay, exponential curve or parabolic. These two are very important graph you have to remember. Okay. Okay, let us solve the problems based on the variation. Up to here only the theory part. Now I will solve few questions based on the variation. Then here read the question, then try to solve. Easy questions, variations, you will get easy questions only. Understood everyone? Any doubt? Okay. Here, if x and y are directly proportional, already they are given directly proportional, then Then when x is equal to 13, y is equal to 39, which of the following is not possible pair of a corresponding value of x and y? Which one is not? See, I underline. Which one is not, they are asking. Check all the four. Then tell me which one is not in direct proportion. What is mean by direct proportion? I will write x is directly proportional to y. Otherwise, x by y, it will be constant. Everyone are telling option C. Very good. Option C, it will not follow the proportionality constant. Proportionality condition, it will not follow. Let us check one by one. Here, which values? X it will be equal to 13. Then y is equal to 39. You know the ratio, it will be same. 13 by 39 means 13 ones are 13 threes are. Then you have to get the ratio 1 by 13. Then first one, yes, it will follow 1 by 13. Then B 17 by 51, yes, 17 ones are 17 threes are. This also it will follow 1 by 3. Then 6 by 18, this also 6 ones are 6 threes are. Only this one 30 divided by 10, here you will get 3. This one, it will not follow a direct proportionality rule. Understood everyone? Very easy variation. If you know the concept, no need to solve all this one. When you seeing only, you can take the correct answer. Okay, I think everyone understood. Very easy question. Then solve next one. This is little tricky question, like in physics we studied speed, velocity, time. A car moves a distance of 40 minutes with an average speed of 60 km per hour. The average speed to cover the same distance in 30 minutes. Even you can solve this problem in what regularly we will use, speed is equal to distance by time. You have to use that formula. You have to solve. Speed, it will be distance divided by time. Yes. Here what you have to calculate? You have to calculate the distance. Distance is nothing but speed into time. Then here a car covers a distance of 40 minutes with an average speed of 60 km per hour. Speed they are given how much? 60 km per hour. Then time is 40 minutes it is there. But here you have to observe the unit here. This speed it will be in kilometer per hour means this 40 minute we have to convert in terms of hour. How you will convert? This 40 minutes we will divide by 60 because 1 hour it will be 60 minutes. That's why you have to divide 40 divided by 60. Understood everyone? Why I divided with 60? Because I am converting in terms of minute to hour. Better I will rub this one. Then this 40 minutes it will be equal to 40 by 60 hour. Then this hour it will get cancelled. Whatever answer you will get, that it will be in kilometer. That is the distance. Tell me what is the distance here? 60 it will get cancelled. Distance it will be 40 kilometer. Then one more question here they are asking, if the average speed to cover the same distance in 30 minutes. Here the second question, the time it will be 30 minutes. The speed it will be, what is the speed they are asking here, and distance it will be same 40 kilometer. I don't know why this question they are included here variation, but it will, this question is important, but here we are not using the concept of variation. Okay, then here you know the formula, speed it will be distance divided by time. The distance is 40. Here also the time it will be in minute. Better convert in terms of hour. 30 divided by 60. Take the reciprocal of this one. 40 into 60 by 30, 31s are 32s are, then here you will get the speed, it will be how much? 80 kilometer per hour. Yes, first one is the correct answer. But this question is not based on the variation, but important question. Even physics, even they can ask this question. That's why I solved here. Understood everyone? But one thing you have to remember here, 40 minutes you have to convert in terms of hour. If you know the formula, easily you can solve. Next question. From here, definitely word problems based on the variation. Very interesting problem you will solve today in the variation. Simple topic, you will not even get confused also. Okay. In a scout camp, there is a food provision for 300. In a scout camp, there is food provision for 300 cadets, okay, for 42 days. If 50 more person join the camp, for how many days will the provision lost? This one based on the variation, solve. You know, see, number of person, use your common sense. If the number of person increases, then consuming amount of food increases or decreases? Whether it is directly proportional or inversely proportional, first tell me that one. Here they are not mention anything whether it is directly or inversely proportional. You have to use your yes, x is equal to 36, that is the correct answer. Yes, everyone are telling it is inversely. Yes, easy question. If number of person is increases, definitely the amount of food, it will be inversely proportional. Understood? Both are inversely proportional to each other. Then here what we have to use, you know, inversely proportional means xy, it will be constant. Use this one. At least starting few problems I will write, okay. Then here 300 cadets, how many days? 42 days. Then 50 more person join the camp. Already you are having 300 all you are having in the beginning. Then 50 they are added. Then what is the value of y or x? Anything you consider. Those who not understood, listen. Those who are given answer, good. Usharani Lakshmi, yes, 36 is the correct answer. But here don't consider 300 here. Here 300 cadets, 42 days, one relation. Then 50 more person join the camp, means 300 plus 50. 50% join the camp. Maybe sometime they will give 50% left the camp. In that case, left the camp means you have to do subtraction. Okay. Then solve, you will get the value. Easy question. This one write as it is. Later you can cancel. Then this it will be 350 into y. Then y it will be equal to, I will write the step. You can, no need to write the step also, but I am explaining now, that's why I will write. This 0 0 get cancelled. 5 6 5 7 again, 7 1 7 6 6 6 36 days. Then how many? If 50% are increasing, then within 36 days, whatever the food you have, that it will get finished or consumed. Anything you can. Now understood at least. See, when you see the question in the exam, you have to decide whether it is directly or indirectly proportional. Easy, no? Before we don't know this trick based on the variation, so easily you can solve like this problem. If you know the relation, then easily you can solve. I will move to the next question. Better try to solve. Solve. At least tell me whether it is directly or indirectly proportional. Under the condition that the temperature remains constant, the volume of gas is inversely, already they are given, inversely proportional to pressure. Volume is inversely proportional to pressure. They are given in the question. If the volume of a gas is 360 cubic centimeter, then at a pressure of 360 millimeter of mercury, then what will be the pressure of the gas if its volume is 720 cubic centimeter at the same temperature? Solve. Very easy question. Question is big, but answer is very small. What is mean by this? Vp, it will be constant. You are having two condition, no? Better consider V1 by P1, it will be V2 by P2. No need to write all the things. You can directly you can do it also. First one is how much? 630 into 360. This it will be equal to 720 into P2. Yes, very good. Everyone are telling 315. Yes, 315 is the correct answer. Easy, no? Variation. This topic is easy, very easy. Then P2 it will be equal to 630 into 360 divided by 720. Then 0 0 get cancelled, 1s are 2s are, then you will get 315. What is the unit? Millimeter of mercury. Understood? Easy question. Why I left one page? Don't leave. Yes, one next question. Do it. Already they are given. Both U and V are directly with each other. U is 10, V is 15. Which of the following is not possible pair of corresponding values of U and V? Tell me what is the correct answer. I need correct answer. Solve. Option C. Jaya, how? Option D. Ambika, how? Option A. They are telling directly with each other. Which of the following is not possible? They are asking. Which of the option is possible? They are not asking. Nivedita, Meghana, then Sahana, how be? See, here what they are telling, U is directly proportional to V. What is mean by that? U by V, it will be constant. Then they are given one value here, 10 by 15. Cancel. What is the ratio you will get? 5 2s are, 5 3s are. The ratio it will be 2 by 3. Check here anything it will not satisfies this condition. They are asking which of the following is not possible. Not possible they are asking. Which of the thing is possible they are not asking, Ambika. Maybe. Radha, Sahana, Ambika, why everyone are confusing? Those who are given C, they are correct. See, here the first option is 2 by 3. Yes, it is satisfying the ratio. Second one they are asking 8 by 12. Yes. Simplify the ratio. 5 2s are 5 3s are. Yes. This also, this is not D, B. This is B. Then consider C. 15 by 20. Consider the ratio here. 5 3s are 5 4s are 3 by 4. Your answer is 2 by 3. It has to satisfy this ratio. This one is wrong. C is the correct answer. Here they are asking which one is not possible. Understood now? Those who are given wrong answer. Last one also, 25 divided by 37.5. Remove the decimal, you will get 350 divided by 375. Cancel here also, you will get 2 by 3. D also not possible. How, Ambika? Check. See, 5 375, 5 how much are? 5 7s are 35, 5 5s are 25, 5 50s are 25, 2s are 25, 3s are. D is possible. Very simple problem. Don't do mistake in the exam. At least here if you did okay, now you are learning. But in the exam you have to see the question properly. What will happen? In the first answer it is true, no, everyone they will tick A only. One more I will give, don't do mistake. Next question, don't do any mistake, do it properly. I want correct answer, I need correct answer, okay. Here they are asking inversely proportional. Which of the following is not inversely proportional? Do it. In live classes, why I will not give more time to solve the problem means the time it will waste. That's why. Because within 1 hour, how much I possible, I can complete the question, I can complete the portions. That's why actually I have to give more time to solve. But normally I will not give. Immediately I will tell the answer, I will go. Everyone are telling option D. Yes, option D. It will not follow the S. Let us verify. X is inversely proportional to 1 by y means xy it will be constant. Correct now? Then what is the value of x here? 10, 6, 60. Satisfy whether, check whether every option they are satisfying or not. First one correct. Then second one also 15 4s are 60. This also correct. Then 25 into 2.4. This also correct 60. Option D 45 into 1.3. Here you will get 58.3. This one is not satisfying. Understood everyone? Yes. I will move next question. Very easy question. Yes. In which of the following case do the quantities vary directly with each other? Vary directly with each other. All the quantities they have to follow the direct rule. What is mean by that? This ratio it will be constant. In which case tell me, all the ratio it will be constant, whether A, B, C, D. Ratio it will be constant. All the ratio, not only one. X by y, this x by y, this ratio, this ratio, this ratio, this ratio, all the ratio it will be constant. In which case, whether A, B, C, D. Usharani is telling A, Nivedita is telling A. Remaining, try. Yes, A is the correct answer. See, here, easy question. In the first option only you got the correct answer. But what you have to do, No need to, if any two ratios you check, if two ratios are not equal, move to the next one. Like that only you have to do in the exam. 0.5 divided by 2, 0.5 divided by 2, what is the ratio? 0.5 is nothing but 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, 1 by 4. Second one 2 by 4, 2 ones are 2 fours are, then 8 ones are 8 fours are, 32 ones are 32 fours are. Here the constant ratio it will be 1 by 4. This is the correct answer. Even remaining also you can check, if any one or two may be wrong. If you got the answer, no need to check the remaining. Correct, no? Very easy question. Do it fast. Which of the following vary inversely with each other? Which of the following is inversely proportional to each other? Remember the formula and tell me. We solved even one question also. See, what is the formula? What is the formula, Lakshmi? Speed, it will be distance divided by time. Which are the quantity they are asking inversely proportional? Speed and time. Speed and time. What is the correct answer? Option D is the correct answer. Okay, answer next one. One option is wrong. I will make this one as a direct. This is not there. Indirect, inverse, both are same, no? That's why I am cancelling indirect. Tell me. They are telling if x and y are directly proportional to each other, is it 1 by x is directly proportional to 1 by y, or inversely proportional, or neither direct nor indirect? Sometime direct, sometime inverse. I will tell one example. 2, any number I will tell. Okay, 2 is yes, everyone are telling. If any two quantities, here they are taken 1 by that number, this also 1 by that number, then it will be directly proportional. If they given like this 1 by x or y, is that both directly or indirectly, means you can't find any relation. This is wrong. Either y, either x, either x or 1 by y, like this maybe the relation it will change, but here both also both the values also they are given in reciprocal format, then definitely if this is directly proportional, then this one also it will be directly proportional, means the option A is the correct answer. Easy question. Yes, next question. Solve. Why they are given like this question means, normally here you can use the relation. Meenakshi cycles to her school at an average speed of 20 km per hour in 20 minutes to reach her school. If she want to reach her school in 12 minutes, what her average speed? You know the speed is inversely proportional to 1 by time. Use this relation, then easily you can solve. Speed into time or velocity into time you can consider, it will be constant. Here they are given two condition. Make use of that. Yes, Usharani 20. Very good, very good. Then here 12 kilometer per hour, that is 1. Next one 20, it is there in minute. Therefore, if you want to convert, divided by 60 you have to do. Next one 12 divided by 60 hour. Then this one I don't know, I will consider as y. Here 60 it will get cancelled, that's why you are getting the same value, but sometime it will affect if you are not converting into an y. It will be 20 kilometer per hour. This it will be in kilometer per hour. But here if you not convert in terms of minute also, you are getting the same answer, but better you have to follow the rule. Otherwise here okay, but in some question if you not convert, then you will get the wrong answer. Understood? Yes, I will move to the next question. Solve. Same repeated question, the type it will be same. 100% had food provision for 24 days. If 20% left the place, here they are asking left the place. The relation it will be same, but here they are given left the 30 days. Sahana, very good. Answer is 30. Which relation? Yes, it is inversely proportional, means x is inversely proportional to y, means xy it will be constant. Then first case, what is mean by that? 100%, how many days? 24 days. Out of 100, how many left? 20 left. Then what is the value? Any constant you can consider. I will use y. Then here 100 into 24, it will be 80 into y. You can cancel here, 0 0 get cancelled. Then 8 ones are 8 threes are, then y it will be 30 days. Understood? Here when left means you have to subtract. If the person came or addition means you have to do addition. Easy question, no? Understood? I will move to the next. Yes, simple questions. Solve. I want correct answer. Don't give wrong answer, okay? Think and give. Easy. X, Y are directly with each other. What is the meaning? Option A. Yes, everyone are telling option A. That is the correct answer. X by Y it will be constant. Next one. Inversely proportional with each other. Don't get confused if they give like this question in the exam. Easy. Option C is the correct answer. Okay, I will move to the next question. Easy question. Do it this one. Convert the unit properly and tell me the correct answer. If the distance travelled by a rickshaw in 1 hour is 10 kilometer, then distance travelled by the same rickshaw with the same speed in 1 minute. They are asking in 1 hour, then 1 minute, then your answer it will be in meter. Convert kilometer to meter, convert 1 hour to minute, then you will get the answer. No need to do the calculation here, only you have to convert the unit. 1 hour in 10 kilometer, then 1 minute in how many meters they are asking. Convert hour to minute, kilometer to meter, then compare, you will get the answer. Yes, here they are given for 1 hour 10 kilometer. You know 1 hour is nothing but how many minutes? 60 minutes. Same again 10 into 1000 meter, because 1 hour is 60 minutes, then 1 kilometer it will be 1000 meter. I converted 10 kilometer in terms of meter. Then they are asking for 1 minute. How much? Cross multiply, you will get the answer. Very easy question. Option D is the correct answer. Yes, Jaya. Option D is the correct answer. Do it. This one cross multiply. This is 10,000 divided by 60. 0, 0 get cancelled. Then 2 3s are 2, 500 za. Your answer is 500 divided by 3 meter. Very easy question. Don't get confused in the exam. Understood everyone? No one have the doubt this variation? Okay, next question. Solve. Problem is looking like big, but answer is very, very small. A water tank cast a shadow 21 meter. This water tank, it will form an image, okay, otherwise shadow 21 meter. A tree of height 9.5, that also it will form an shadow, that is 8 meter. At the same time, the length of the shadow are directly proportional to their height. They are given the shadow is shadow height, otherwise length of shadow, it will be directly proportional to their height. Then use the relation. Then Ambika, HSTR still in the market also, no book is there. You can search even in Sapna book also, house also. According to the syllabus, till now we don't have any book. Okay, I told now I am referring to 3 website. According to the portion, I am preparing the questions, then everything. I don't know why in the, you can check when last month I went in Sapna book course also, even I not got a proper book according to the syllabus. JPSTR, TET you will get, but HSTR we don't have like that books. Okay, I don't know now it is available in the market or not. Better you search in book stall. Maybe Sapna book house is there. Even in net also you can search. But sometime we will get in Kannada medium. But if we get in Kannada medium also, that it is no use for those who are writing in English medium. Correct, no? Kannada books you will get. But in English medium, it is difficult to get the book. Okay. Once again, I will check. If I go this weekend, I am near, my home is near to Jayanagar only, Bangalore. In Jayanagar, I have one more branch is there, Sapna book house. If I go there, then I will see whether any books are there or not. Lakshmi is telling answer 199.5. Lakshmi, 0.5 is there divided by 8. Even if I get the book, for me also very easy, no need to search, then no need to prepare like this presentation. If direct book is available, at least for me it will be useful. At least it can save my time, energy, everything. Yes, point is there, Lakshmi. Maybe somewhere you missed the point. See here, they are given the relation 9.5, Otherwise you can consider 8 divided by 9.5. This it will be equal to 21 divided by, consider any unknown variable. Here they are given x, consider x only. Then x it will be equal to 21 into 9.5 divided by 8. Then multiply here, you will get 199.5 divided by 8. This value is 24.9 meter. Easy question, no? Variation is easy. Easily you can answer the question. What we discussed, I given in the column wise, you can solve the problem. Once we will finish few questions, I will come back. Okay, solve this one. A volleyball court is in rectangular shape and its dimension are directly proportional. Then dimension of the swimming pool given below, find the width of the pool. When only you can compare the quantity, only they are given directly, indirectly. Don't get confused. Like this rectangular problem also they will give in different concept also. Don't use all the concept in the same. No, here we are comparing the quantities. Only in that case we will use same quantities we are comparing. This is the volleyball court, this is the pool. Both they will be in the rectangular format, and also length, breadth they are given. Both also they will be directly proportional. Everything is they are given. Then only you can compare the quantities. Okay, don't get confused. The answer is 37.5. Very good. 9 by 18, it will be equal to x divided by 75. Then x it will be equal to 75 into 9. 18 means 9 ones are, 9 twos are, then 2 ones are. This one, what is the value? 37.5. Easy question. Okay. Next question. Many schools have recommended student teachers ratio 35:1. Next year, school expects an increase in the enrollment of 280 students. Okay, here they are given the ratio. Assume in the next year if you increased to 280 students, then how many new teachers will they have to appoint to maintain the student teachers ratio? Already they are given in ratio. 35 divided by 1, it will be equal to 280 divided by x. Solve. Already they are given in the ratio means they will be directly proportional to each other. Correct now? Yes. Tell me the answer. How many teachers you need if it has to follow the ratio? Very good, very good. Usharani, how 9? Check your answer once again. Maybe cancellation, you did the mistake. Then x it will be how much? 280 divided by 30. Screen is not clear. Banu, maybe you have the problem in your phone because no one is telling the complaint. Better you adjust your screen setting. Go to the screen setting. Otherwise, check. Next one, you can cancel this one. This you will get cancel. You will get 8 teachers. Simplify. You will get 8 teachers. 35 ones are, 35 eights are, 280. Otherwise, you can cancel with 5. 5 sevens are, 5 sevens are, then 5 fives are, then 5 six are again, 7 ones are, 7 eights are. No need to tell simplification. No. Next question. Answer. The variable x is inversely proportional to y. Then if x is increases by p%, then y. Tell me the answer. What will happen? What is the change in the value of y? If you give the correct answer, then 100% you understood what is meant by variation. You are not listening any outside noise now, because outside they are doing something. I am using the headphone. I think it is not disturbing. Lots of noise. What is, yes, Radhika, P, whether P percent, whether it will increase or decrease. What percent will Y decreases? P percent. Yes, the answer it will be P, the Y it will be decreases. Because here they are given, both are inversely proportional, means not 1 by P percent. P percent it will decreases. P percent it will decreases. No, 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 Sahana, not 1 by P. Only P. Only P. Don't consider the reciprocal here. Here x is inversely proportional to y. If this value of x, assume if it is increases by 10%, okay, then the value of y it will be decreases by 10%. That is the meaning. Here they are given in terms of p, but this is decreases by 10%, not 1 by 10%. Don't consider this one. This value is increased by 10%, means y value it will decrease by 10%, not 1 by 10. This is wrong. Understood? Don't worry, you are learning, no? When learning, if you do the mistake only, then whatever you are learning, the concept it will be clear, because you are learning the concept first time. Okay, we will solve one more. I told, no, MCQ, sorry, match the following. That is easy only. If you solved, I will solve here, otherwise I will give it as a homework. Yes, do it. What is the answer for first one? Tell me. X and y, if you are not able to see, I will read. X and y are inversely proportional to each other. What is the meaning? Tell me the answer. Whether A or C, what is the answer here? X and y are inversely proportional to each other. Yes, C. This is the first. Then mathematically representation of inverse variation of P and Q. P, Q are inversely proportional. Then tell me the answer. P, Q are inversely. Second one. Very good, very good. Little blur, but not that much blur. Everyone telling answer, no? Shall I make little enlarge? Okay. Can you see now? Can you observe now? What is the answer? Yes, now tell me. For second one, P by Q, they are inversely proportional, means this is the second answer. Then next one, mathematically representation of the direct variation of M and N. M and N. What is the direct variation of M and N? Yes, what is the correct answer here for this one? This is the third one, G. M divided by N. Direct relation. They are asking the relation. M is directly proportional to N. If you are having the option M divided by N, it will be constant, means you can answer that one also. But here the option is not there. M is inversely proportional to 1 by N is there. But this is the correct answer. Understood? Okay. And then next question. Next one. When x is equal to 5, y is equal to 2.5, when? Find the ratio. x is equal to 5, y is equal to 2.5. Find the ratio or divide or equate. Then y is equal to 5, x is equal to 10. Whether the ratios are for fourth, h, no. X and y, see, I will find the ratio here. See, 5 divided by 2.5. This can I write 50 divided by 2.5? I will get 5 ones are 5 twos are. Again this ratio 5 by 10. No. Here y value they are given first, x value they are given second. Don't get confused. Then here the value it will be 10 by 5, 5 ones are 5 twos are. Here the ratios are constant, therefore they are directly proportional to each other. Then what is the answer? For fourth, the answer it will be F. F. Very good. X and Y are directly proportional to each other. This is the fifth one. Then like that only try next one. The X is 10. 10 5s are 50. 20 into 2.5. For fifth one, what is the answer? Try x is inversely proportional to 1 by y means x by y it will be constant. Then 10 5s are 50. Then 20 2.5 is nothing but 25 divided by 10, correct now? Then 2s are again you will get 5. Therefore x and y are inversely proportional. Then this one is fifth, this one is fourth, this one is fourth. Are you following everyone? No doubt, no? You have to solve. For sixth, what is the correct answer? A. Very good. Ahmir, yes, good. What they are asking, x and y are directly with each other. What is the option A? X and y are directly proportional to means x, the ratio it will be constant. Then next one, x and y are very inversely on decreasing x. See, seventh one I will explain. X and y vary inversely. X and y they are telling vary inversely. Okay. Then on decreasing x, if x decreases, then what is the value of y? Y increases. What is the option here? Which one is the option here? Y will increases in proportion. B. This one is sixth one or seventh one. Easy. Don't get confused. Okay. Here next eighth question. X and y they are directly proportional to each other. Then if x decreases, then y decreases or increases? Tell me. Y also it will be decreases. This is the eighth one. Here these questions are very clumsy, no? Maybe, and also it will be little blur. Okay, I will give the PDF format notes. When I will give the notes, then easily you can answer once again. If you have the doubt, ask me. Understood now everyone? Variation, interesting, no? Variation it will be easy and also interesting. At least two, definitely one or two or three, two questions it will come in MCQ, because this it will be easy, and also even word problems they will give one questions, and like this they are given no in the last, like this format they will give. Understood everyone? Explain fourth one, ma'am. Okay, this one. Banu, this one I will write here. I will write here, no space only. Okay, I will write here. Here the x value is 5, then the y value is 2.5. This is one set. Then next set, x value is 10, then y value is 5. See, multiply here, 10 5s are 50, then here 2.5 into 5, no, you will not get 50 here, means they will be not in inverse proportion. Let us consider the direct proportion here, means consider x by y. 5 divided by 2.5, then shift the decimal, it will be 25 divided by 5, then 5 ones are 5 twos are, here 2 you got. Then consider here x, it will be x by y, it will be 10 by 5, 5 ones are 5 twos are. Here the ratios are equal, means they are directly proportional to each other. When they will give like this question, you have to check for both directly and also indirectly or inverse. Both also you have to check. In mind also you can check, otherwise try. If you are not getting inverse, make it wrong. If you are getting direct, consider that one. Okay, seeing the number, you can decide if it is a small number. If they are given bigger number, here you have to decide whether they are directly or inversely proportional. Better you solve. Usha Rani, what is HSTR exam? Don't know? Okay, sorry. sorry. I read wrong. When is HSTR exam, ma'am? HSTR still notification not came. I told no. They are concentrating JPSTR final list selection, then everything. Even election is there. Maybe everyone, even I asked Raman tutorial, I asked Chaya ma'am what I have to inform for the students. Then ma'am also told maybe this month, second week or third week, there may be a chance of uh, notification HSTR. Okay, better let us, if they called the next month also, don't take any tension. Still we completed only half of the portions in physics and maths also. I will try to complete within this month all the topic, then once again we will solve MCQ problems. Better prepare for the exam. Definitely they will call. Even minister also he is telling no, 2500 post HSTR, definitely he will call, because because elections are near, definitely he has to send the notification. Otherwise the public, they will ask no, why you are not you told why you are not sending any notification. Because of the election purpose, definitely they will send the notification within this month end. Everyone are telling next month is the election, April. Within the election, definitely they will call. Okay, don't worry, read well, don't stop the preparation, and don't demotivate why they are not sending the notification. Writing the exam is not important, whether how much you will clear, otherwise 100% you have to make the effort. Sure, definitely you will get the job. Like that you prepare in your mind whether they will call this month, next month, first week. Don't take any tension, you start preparing, definitely you will get the job. Okay, your focus, it should be studies only. Okay, shall we meet once again of now 6:15, then 7 o'clock I will take one more physics class, optic class. Don't miss, I will solve few important MCQ questions. Okay, next class it will be 7 to 8 o'clock, 1 hour I will take then. Okay, okay, bye everyone, take care, we will meet at 7 o'clock.